Cleveland-Cliffs, America's integrated steel and mining leader. Cleveland-Cliffs is one of the most influential and strategically important steel producers in the United States. With a history spanning more than 175 years, the company has evolved from a regional iron ore mining operation into a fully integrated steel manufacturing powerhouse, serving critical industries across North America. Today, Cleveland-Cliffs stands as a symbol of American industrial strength, supplying high-quality steel products to sectors such as automotive manufacturing, construction, infrastructure, energy, machinery, and defense. Headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, the company has built its reputation on operational excellence, technological innovation, vertical integration, and a strong commitment to sustainability. Through strategic acquisitions and continuous investment in advanced manufacturing technologies, Cleveland-Cliffs has become the largest producer of flat-rolled steel in North America and one of the most significant contributors to the American industrial economy. Company overview. Founded in 1847, Cleveland-Cliffs originally focused on iron ore mining around the Great Lakes region. Over the decades, the company expanded its capabilities and transformed itself into a comprehensive steel producer. Its growth accelerated significantly through the acquisition of major steel assets, allowing it to establish a fully integrated production model that encompasses every stage of the steelmaking process. Unlike many steel manufacturers that rely on external suppliers for raw materials, Cleveland-Cliffs controls much of its supply chain, from mining iron ore to producing finished steel products. This integrated approach provides greater operational efficiency, cost control, supply security, and product consistency. Today, the company operates numerous mining facilities, pellet plants, direct reduction facilities, steel mills, processing centers, and research facilities across the United States, employing thousands of skilled workers and supporting countless industries nationwide. Core business activities. Iron ore mining. Iron ore mining remains a fundamental component of Cleveland-Cliffs operations. The company owns and operates several of the largest iron ore mines in North America, supplying essential raw materials for its steel production facilities. These mining operations utilize advanced extraction and processing technologies designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining high environmental and safety standards. By controlling its iron ore resources, Cleveland-Cliffs reduces dependence on external suppliers and strengthens its competitive position within the steel industry. Iron ore pellet production. One of the company's key activities is the production of premium iron ore pellets. These pellets serve as an important feedstock for steelmaking and are specifically engineered to improve furnace efficiency and steel quality. The company's pelletizing facilities convert raw iron ore into high-grade pellets with consistent chemical and physical properties, making them highly valuable for modern steel production processes. Hot briquetted iron, HBI production. Cleveland-Cliffs has invested heavily in hot briquetted iron, HBI, an advanced metallic feedstock used in electric arc furnaces and other steelmaking technologies. HBI offers several advantages, including higher purity levels, reduced impurities, improved steel quality, and lower environmental impact compared to certain traditional iron-making methods. The company's HBI facility represents a major step toward cleaner and more sustainable steel production. Steel manufacturing. Steel production is the company's largest and most important business segment. Cleveland-Cliffs manufactures a wide range of steel products that serve diverse industrial applications. Its steelmaking facilities employ advanced technologies and sophisticated quality control systems to produce steel that meets demanding industry specifications. The company's integrated manufacturing model allows it to maintain consistent quality while responding efficiently to market demand. Automotive steel solutions. The automotive industry represents one of Cleveland-Cliffs' most important markets. The company supplies steel to major automobile manufacturers throughout North America and plays a crucial role in supporting vehicle production. Its advanced automotive steel products are used in vehicle bodies, structural components, safety systems, chassis assemblies, and electric vehicle platforms. These specialized materials help manufacturers improve safety, fuel efficiency, durability, and sustainability. Major products. Hot-rolled steel. Hot-rolled steel is among Cleveland-Cliffs' most widely used products. Manufactured through high-temperature rolling processes, this steel offers exceptional strength, durability, and versatility. Applications include structural construction, heavy machinery, industrial equipment, transportation infrastructure, pipelines, shipbuilding. The product's mechanical properties make it suitable for demanding industrial environments, where reliability and performance are critical. Cold-rolled steel. Cold-rolled steel is produced through additional processing that enhances surface quality, dimensional accuracy, and mechanical performance. Common applications include automotive manufacturing, household appliances, office equipment, precision engineering components, consumer products. Its smooth finish and tight tolerances make it ideal for applications requiring both aesthetic appeal and technical precision. Galvanized steel. Galvanized steel is coated with zinc to provide superior corrosion resistance and long-term durability. Key applications include roofing systems, building structures, HVAC equipment, agricultural machinery, utility infrastructure. The protective coating significantly extends service life, particularly in challenging environmental conditions. Advanced high-strength steel, AHSS. One of Cleveland-Cliffs' most technologically advanced product categories is advanced high-strength steel, AHSS. These specialized materials are engineered to provide exceptional strength while minimizing weight. Benefits include improved vehicle safety, enhanced fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, increased structural performance, better crash resistance. AHSS plays a crucial role in modern automotive design and the transition toward electric mobility. Electrical steel. The company also produces electrical steel designed for applications involving energy generation, transmission, and utilization. Electrical steel is commonly used in electric motors, transformers, generators, renewable energy systems, industrial power equipment. This specialized material contributes to improved energy efficiency and electrical performance. Hot briquetted iron, HBI. HBI remains one of the company's most strategic products due to growing demand for cleaner steelmaking inputs. It enables steel manufacturers to achieve higher quality production while supporting sustainability objectives. Iron ore pellets. Cleveland-Cliffs iron ore pellets are recognized for their consistency, quality, and efficiency in blast furnace operations. These products support both internal manufacturing requirements and external customer needs. Competitive advantages. Vertical integration. Perhaps the company's most significant competitive advantage is its vertically integrated business model. By controlling iron ore mining, pellet production, metallics manufacturing, steelmaking, finishing operations, Cleveland-Cliffs achieves greater efficiency, cost predictability, and supply chain reliability than many competitors. Strong position in the automotive market. The company's close relationships with leading automotive manufacturers provide a stable customer base and long-term growth opportunities. As vehicle technology evolves toward lighter, safer, and more energy-efficient designs, demand for advanced steel solutions continues to increase, strengthening Cleveland-Cliffs' strategic position. Manufacturing scale. Cleveland-Cliffs operates some of the largest steel production facilities in North America. Its extensive manufacturing network enables the company to serve major industrial customers while maintaining production flexibility and operational resilience. Innovation and research. Research and development remain central to the company's growth strategy. Cleveland-Cliffs continuously invests in new manufacturing technologies, product development, digitalization, and process optimization. These innovations help improve product performance, reduce production costs, and enhance environmental sustainability. Supply chain security. Because the company controls much of its raw material supply, it is less vulnerable to disruptions affecting global commodity markets. This stability provides customers with reliable access to critical steel products. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. Environmental stewardship has become increasingly important within the global steel industry, and Cleveland-Cliffs has made sustainability a key component of its long-term strategy. The company focuses on reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving energy efficiency, increasing recycling initiatives, conserving natural resources, enhancing water management systems, developing cleaner production technologies. Investments in advanced manufacturing processes and low-emission technologies support the company's objective of producing steel more sustainably while maintaining world-class quality standards. Economic impact. Cleveland-Cliffs plays a vital role in the American economy. The company supports thousands of direct jobs and contributes significantly to regional economic development through manufacturing, mining, logistics, and infrastructure investment. Its products are essential for numerous industries, including automotive, construction, energy, transportation, defense, industrial manufacturing. By supplying domestically produced steel, Cleveland-Cliffs strengthens national supply chains and helps reduce dependence on imported materials. Future outlook. Looking ahead, Cleveland-Cliffs is well positioned to benefit from long-term trends in infrastructure investment, manufacturing reshoring, electric vehicle production, and sustainable industrial development. The company's strategic priorities include expanding value-added steel products, enhancing operational efficiency, advancing environmental performance, and supporting next-generation manufacturing technologies. As demand for high-quality steel continues to grow across critical sectors, Cleveland-Cliffs is expected to remain a leading force in shaping the future of North American steel production. Conclusion. Cleveland-Cliffs has successfully transformed itself from a traditional iron ore mining company into one of North America's most influential steel producers. Through vertical integration, technological innovation, strategic investments, and an unwavering commitment to quality, the company has established a leadership position within the global steel industry. Its extensive portfolio of steel products, strong presence in the automotive sector, advanced manufacturing capabilities, and focus on sustainability make Cleveland-Cliffs a critical partner for industries that depend on reliable, high-performance steel solutions. As the industrial landscape continues to evolve, Cleveland-Cliffs remains at the forefront of innovation, productivity, and American manufacturing excellence.